Good morning, Pink Wand Cleaning Services.
As a teenager, my first job was cleaning my dad's washrooms at his oil and gas company. Little did I know that this would become my career and the business that I would create.
Thank you.
I'm Jackie Jepson. I'm the owner of the Pink Wand Cleaning Services, a commercial and residential cleaning service based out of Airdrie, Alberta. My kids are the most important thing to me. When they were young, I stayed home with them full time. And then in 2008, I divorced my husband and I needed to figure out a way to provide for our family and yet start a brand new career after staying home with them full time. I still wanted to be there for them before school and after school and still maintain the lifestyle that I had prior. That's why the Pink Wand Cleaning Service exists today. My parents provided me a place to stay in their backyard of their acreage in a park model trailer. I started my business there. I purchased a vacuum off eBay and would trudge through the mud with my young kids, pack them in the van, get the kids to school, and I would go off to work. That's how the Pink Wand cleaning started. For at least the first year, I would cry every time that I dropped the kids off and go to work because it was such hard work. I would clean so many houses a day on my own to the point that I knew that I had to grow and move forward and either hire somebody or I would be broken. Once I needed to bring people on, I looked to find people that were trustworthy and reliable and that I would want in my own house. Believe it or not, my first employee, who still works with us today, I met at the swimming pool with my kids. We were sitting in the pool and I just asked her, hey, this is the business, this is what I'm doing. If you're ever interested, why don't you give me a shout? And she did. And now her grown daughter also works with Pink Wand. From working out of my park model trailer to my first employees to now 40 employees, we are now $1 million company. One of my strengths for sure is leadership. As a business owner, I wanted to create an environment that put their family first, just like I did, with flexible hours so they could be there for their kids before and after school. For the past few years, I've been developing the tools and the systems that make Pink Wand work. I want to leverage my strength in leadership with a proven business model that I know works. And that's why I'm proud to offer the Pink Wand franchise to the world. From the computers to the branding to the client management system. It's a business in a box that works as well for a one-person operation to as many as you're willing to work hard to grow it to. If my story resonates with you and you're looking for an opportunity to grow and build your own business, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your story.